Welcome, in front of me I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I will show you how you can take screenshot without using physical keys like power key and the volume key. So we got two methods in this smartphone. The first one, we get gesture screenshot, and so to take the gesture screenshot you have to go for the settings, pick advanced features, go for the gestures, and right now you have to enable this switcher, the 3-finger screenshot. So right now if you want to capture, for example, your home screen, you have to swipe with 3 fingers down, just like that. As you can hear, the screenshot was taken. Tap that we got it. Okay. And there's our screenshot. So if you want to finish and save this screenshot, tap on the right upper corner. We can save to the gallery. Just like that. And there's the first method, as I said, the 3 fingers. And the second one is to open notification bar, and you will find screenshot icon here. So if you want to capture, for example, your browser, open the browser, then open notification bar, click on the screenshot icon, and as you can see, that's how it's done. If you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.